Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the world of smart home entertainment with the Xyndyx electric ceiling TV mount, designed for 23 to 55-inch flat and curved TVs. This motorized flip-down ceiling mount isn't just a space saver, it's a high-performance piece of engineering that transforms how you watch your favorite content. From bedrooms to home offices, or even indoor-outdoor setups, this mount promises a sleek, modern solution to bulky TV setups. At the heart of this mount is a powerful 3000 Nm motor. This high-torque engine allows the TV to tilt smoothly from 0 to 80 degrees in just 16 seconds. It's not just fast, it's precise, offering plus or minus 3 degrees of screen leveling. That means whether your ceiling is flat or pitched, your TV will sit perfectly straight every time. The motor has been tested rigorously, completing over 50,000 cycles. Which means you can rely on it for years of daily use without worrying about sagging or instability. One of the standout features is the long-range remote. With a reach of up to 164 feet, you can operate your TV mount from anywhere in the room. The remote includes memory buttons that allow you to program your favorite viewing positions. One press can send the TV all the way up into the ceiling, and another can drop it down to the perfect angle for watching movies, sports, or gaming. This makes it an ideal option for tight spaces or multi-purpose rooms where a fixed TV setup just won't do. The design itself is sleek and functional. When folded up, the mount disappears, freeing up valuable wall and floor space. This folding feature makes it perfect for minimalist interiors or areas where space is at a premium. Made from heavy-duty alloy steel, the mount is built for stability and durability. It supports TVs up to 77 pounds without any wobble, making it a secure choice for most standard TVs in its size range. Installation is straightforward and the mount is compatible with VESA standards from 100 by 100 to 400 by 400 mm, fitting a wide range of TV brands and models. Whether you're mounting on wood or concrete ceilings, all necessary hardware and instructions are included, making setup quick and hassle-free. Overall, the Xyndyx electric ceiling TV mount combines engineering, style, and practicality into one premium package. It offers quiet operation, smart remote control, and a durable, space-saving design that elevates your home entertainment experience. If you want your TV to glide effortlessly into place while keeping your space clean and organized, this ceiling mount is a solution worth considering. That's it for today's review. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at the latest